Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing buffering issues while watching Netflix on your Firestick, follow these step-by-step instructions to improve streaming performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed by running a speed test. Netflix recommends at least 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming and 5 megabits per second for HD quality. Step 2. Restart your Firestick by unplugging it from the power source. Wait 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 3. Open the Netflix app on your Firestick and go to the menu. Navigate to Settings and select App Settings. Step 4. Clear the Netflix app cache by selecting Clear Cache in the App Settings. This removes temporary files that may cause buffering. Step 5. Restart your wireless router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Wait for the router to fully restart before testing Netflix. Step 6. Move your Firestick closer to your router or use a wired Ethernet adapter for a more stable connection. Step 7. Lower the video quality settings in Netflix if buffering persists. Go to Account Settings on Netflix.com and adjust playback settings to a lower quality. Step 8. Test Netflix streaming again. If buffering is resolved, you can gradually increase quality settings based on your internet speed and connection stability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.